In our perpetual quest to make sense of the world, we often seek a single, unifying framework. But what if the most potent tool is not one key, but two? We can offer our students a pair of complementary lenses through which to view the tapestry of knowledge. Fractal Structure, Splatter Chaos. Not buzzwords, but a new way of seeing. Order honors design, recursion, and hierarchy, while randomness celebrates emergence and improvisation. A snowflake is a masterclass in fractal structure, a splatter painting, the thrill of the unplotted path. They are partners, not rivals, a choreography shaping how meaning emerges. Teach learners to see patterns and wild variations together. Fractal structure is a celebration of patterns, where complexity arises from simple rules repeated. A trunk, smaller boughs, finer branches, delicate twigs, each echoing the whole. This is the essence of a fractal. The universe rhymes with itself, learning to hear that rhyme is a vital skill. In art and literature, recurrence builds cohesion, a geometric dance toward infinity. Ask students to track a recurring image and how its meaning deepens. A small motif can build a world. From jagged coastlines to spiral galaxies, iterative rules generate surprising forms. Change one variable and watch the structure transform. Rules shape outcomes. Nature repeats, from veins to river networks. Hierarchies echo across scales. Laws reapply principles. If fractal is the blueprint, splatter is life's vital unpredictability. It prizes randomness and happy accidents, where order can emerge unplanned. Not destructive chaos, but a generative force, improvisation that blossoms between written notes. Some moments cannot be staged, a space where no idea is dismissed. Invite process play with ink, water, and string, collaborating with chance to find unexpected beauty. Penicillin was a fortunate accident that changed the world. Evolution dances between mutation and selection. Add a random mutation and apply selection. Watch chance and rules co-shape outcomes. History pivots on decentralized waves and surprises. Applying the overlay, make order and chaos visible and interactive. Use tools students already know, from Jamboard to Miro to slides. Bottom layer, outlines, timelines, diagrams, facts. Top layer, questions, what-ifs, brainstorms, random links. Map plot points, arcs, and form on the structure layer, then layer personal questions and links above. Analysis and free thought enrich one another, turning text into lived inquiry. Base, food web shows hierarchical flows, stack overlays to see predictable and random pressures interact. One team builds by rules and measures, the other chases novel ideas. The skill is knowing when to follow rules and when to joyfully break them, cultivating a mind that holds both, fractal structure and splatter chaos. This is an antidote to binary thinking, to the myth of one right answer. Truth rarely comes from pure order or pure chaos, but from their dynamic interplay. Ask for the pattern and the break, the rule and the exception that builds cognitive flexibility. Plan with elegance, embrace the unforeseen, master form, then make it your own. Overlays, hands-on builds, and team challenges make the concept tangible. Teach architects of thought and anarchists of thought to coexist within the same mind. Equip them to build and to bravely explore. Through these twin lenses, students become more resilient, more creative, and more true to the magnificent, messy world they will shape.